Shalom, I'm Messianic Rabbi Zev Porat, and welcome to Breaking News from Israel. Operation Rising Lion has escalated to a higher level. Since June 13, Israel has conducted a major offensive targeting over 150 sites across Iran, including nuclear facilities, Natanz, Isfahan, Fando, Iraq, missile launchers, military bases, command centers, and high-ranking RGC leaders. Energy infrastructure targeted. Israel has hit multiple oil and gas facilities. These nuclear scientists, nuclear demons we call them, targeted by Israel. Military leaders killed. And Israel airstrikes have killed numerous high-level Iranian figures. As these are not scientists, these are demons working for the devil. With one goal, one agenda, the destruction of the nation of Israel. One thing is certain, Iran will not be able to destroy Israel. Thus says the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Tehillim, Psalms 83 verse 4. Come, they say, let us destroy them as a nation, so that Israel's name is remembered no more. This is what it's all about. They want to destroy the nation of Israel. Deuteronomy 28 verse 7. The Lord will conquer your enemies when they attack you. They will attack you from one direction, but they will scatter from you in seven. Hallelujah. Let's give a praise in the house of the Lord. Iran is going to feel the hand of the Lion of the tribe of Judah, Aliyeh Yehudah, Jesus Yeshua.
We're in the midst of one of the greatest military operations in history, Operation Rising Lion. The Islamic regime, which has oppressed you for nearly 50 years, threatens to destroy my country, the State of Israel. The objective of Israel's military operation is to remove this threat, both the nuclear threat and the ballistic missile threat to Israel. And as we achieve our objectives, we're also clearing the path for you to achieve your objective, which is freedom. In the past 24 hours, we've taken out top military commanders, senior nuclear scientists, the Islamic regime's most significant enrichment facility, and a large portion of its ballistic missile arsenal. More is on the way. The regime doesn't know what hit them. They don't know what will hit them. The nation of Iran and the nation of Israel have been true friends since the days of Cyrus the Great. And the time has come for you to unite around your flag and your historic legacy by standing up for your freedom from an evil and oppressive regime. It has never been weaker. This is your opportunity to stand up and let your voices be heard. Woman, life, freedom. Zan, Zandegi, Azadi. As I said yesterday and many times before, Israel's fight is not with you. It's not with you, the brave people of Iran, whom we respect and admire. Our fight is with our common enemy, a murderous regime that both oppresses you and impoverishes you. Brave people of Iran, your light will defeat the darkness. I am with you. The people of Israel are with you.
جنگ ما محلی نیست. ما برای شکست دادن قدرت‌های جهانی برنامه داریم. ما برای شکستن آمریکا و اسرائیل و شرکا و متحدان آنها برنامه ریزی می‌کنیم. نیروی زمینی ما باید زمین را از لوث وجود اینها پاک کند.
اون نقطه مایه فساد، مایه جنگ، مایه اختلاف رژیم صهیونی است. رژیم صهیونی که غده سرطانی خطرناک مهلک این منطقه است، حتما باید برکنده شود و خواهد.
the threat of Iran affect you? Funded, armed, and spread across borders, Iran and its proxies are an extended front that not only pose a threat to Israel, but to you, wherever you are. Iran's main goal is to destroy and annihilate the state of Israel, but it doesn't end there. Is this a country you want accelerating its nuclear weapons program? A nuclear-armed Iran is an existential threat to the entire world. Not only could they strike Israel, they could reach your country too. We have no choice but to act. Our survival depends on it. Your safety depends on it. We are operating in order to maintain stability, not only for the state of Israel, but for the whole world.
Please stand with us in prayer as the ministry is preaching the gospel and helping with humanitarian aid. The situation in Israel is much worse than what you see on the news. It's a war zone here. We've never seen anything like it. Rockets, drones being fired into Israel day and night. Most are being intercepted, but the ones that are hitting Israel are causing massive deaths, massive destruction. Israeli deaths until now from the Iranian missile dome strikes now total to 30 deaths, including children. Over 230 are injured. Some of them are dying in the hospitals. Bat Yam, Tel Aviv, Haifa. Destruction to infrastructure damage. Residential buildings have been hit direct. Homes collapsed in Bat Yam and Tel Aviv. Ramat Gan, 9 buildings collapsed. Over 100 families remain homeless. Rescue teams pulling out people under buildings. All across Israel, south to north, air raid sirens continue to sound. Civilians storming, hospitals full. Magen David, the Israeli ambulances, sirens everywhere, hundreds injured. The numbers just jumped right now as I'm speaking to 406 injured. Heartbreaking situation. Women, children, families, entire neighborhoods destroyed here in Israel. People becoming homeless overnight. Schools shut down, airports shut down, people can't go to work, supermarket lacking of products. This is the time for the gospel to go forth. Stand with us in prayer as we preach the gospel here. Stand with us in prayer for the people that lost their homes, their loved ones, children hiding under beds. Our ministry is doing what they can to help with humanitarian aid, helping the families that lost their home, helping civilians in the hospitals, trauma victims. Brothers and sisters, this is a time unlike any other, a time of shaking, a time of fire, a time of death, and a time where the light of truth, the light of Yeshua, must be brighter than the darkness. But we're not alone. The God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, Yeshua HaMashiach, Jesus, is still on his throne. Hallelujah. He neither sleeps nor slumbers. His covenant with Israel is everlasting. Let your voice be heard in the heavens. As we walk through the valley of the shadow of death, we fear no evil because we know that the Lord, Yeshua, is with us. And I'm paraphrasing. Psalms 122 verse 6. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. They shall prosper that love thee. I'm Messianic Rabbi Zev Porat reporting live from Israel. Shalom.